Hey guys, welcome to the Vera project. You can see we are doing another project in our house. So we thought about this little piece, the fireplace. We thought about putting bricks, but we didn't really want to spend all that money. So we found this sticker decal that we can just place on the wall and see how it's going to turn out. It's not as easy as it seems because you gotta make sure it's lined up just right. So yeah, we're gonna see how this looks. It's not gonna look the same as if you would put the bricks, but we're gonna give it a try. So as you can see, we did one side, or most of one side, and it's starting to look pretty nice. It's coming along, it pops out, so we wanted just to make it a different color from the other walls, you know, to give us some color in the living room. So kind of like a farmhouse type. So right now, he's doing this side. So this item we got from Home Depot. It comes with 2 sheets, so a total of 16 stickers for about 20 bucks. So we got the last 3 packs that they had. We didn't know how much we would need, but we're gonna start off with 3 of them, 3 packs.
So this is pretty much like an automotive scraper when you do body shaping. You can get these at the Harbor Freight. You can also get them at Home Depot, but it's like a plastic spatula and it doesn't scratch the wall or anything. It's very flimsy and it makes sure that there's no air bubbles in here, that all the air bubbles are completely gone. So you can use a credit card as well if you want, but I prefer using one of these.
So now that we're up top, it's no longer the same as the bottoms. We're gonna have to get our tool and try to cut it without damaging the wall, so that way it so he's gonna try to do it little by little in pieces. Make sure you do it lightly, not too hard, that you cut into the wall. Okay, there you go. Doesn't have to be perfect, but okay, so I put this next piece up here. As you can see, we have some left over, so what I'm gonna do is once I cut it, I'm gonna use this extra piece to put on the edges here that we're missing pieces. And I'm gonna do it, you know, different colors.
Alright guys, so I want to show you what it actually looks like once it's finished putting up all those wooden decals, and it looks pretty amazing. Like, you wouldn't even think that these things were decals overall. Let me show you really up close. We did all the way in the back. So if you do like it, go ahead, go to Home Depot and get yourself a set. We actually had to use about five or six boxes, I believe, in order to do this. But I definitely recommend that if you're looking to save money and make your fireplace pop. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time at the Vera Projects.